Hello friends, today we'll discuss cultivation practices of cardamom. Myself Professor Y.R. Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. Introduction about cardamom. It is botanically known as Elateria cardamom, belongs to the family Gingiberaceae. Cardamom is called as queen of spice, is world third most expensive spice after vanilla and saffron. It is used as spice in culinary preparation and configuration and also find use as a medicine. The oil content is in the seeds and pods are used in perfumery industries and stimulants. Botanical description of cardamom. Commonly it is known as cardamom, queen of spice, shade-living plant. Botanically, it is known as Elateria cardamom, family Gingiberaceae. Origin Western Ghat. Chromosome number of cardamom is 2n is equal to 52. Type of fruits, it is a capsule. Pollination, it is a cross-pollinated crop, and plant part use is a fruit. Soil requirement for cardamom cultivation is cardamom required loamy soil, which is acidic, pH range 4.2 to 6.8, rich in humus and nitrogen, and low to medium available phosphorus. The potassium is potassium, phosphorus and potassium. The soil should be well drained as the crop cannot tolerate waterlogging. Cardamom thrives well in area having warm and humid climatic condition and fairly well distributed annual rainfall 1500 to 4000 mm. A temperature range for cardamom cultivation is 18 to 28 degrees Celsius ideal and altitude 600 to 1200 meter above mean sea level is ideal. The crop required 40 to 60% shade for proper growth and flowering and cannot be withstand heavy wind. Being a surface feeder, availability of moisture during dry period is essential for cardamom cultivation. Some important variety of cardamom growing in different part of country: Wazuka, Mysore, ICR 1, ICR 2, Krug, Annamalai, Ceylon, Malabar. These are the important varieties growing in cardamom. Propagation and planting. The crop is propagated through seeds, sucker and rhizome. Planting. The recommended spacing for Mysore and Wazuka is 2 by 2 meter and 3 by 2 meter, and for Malabar cultivars it is a 1.5 to 1.5 meters to 2 by 2 meters depend upon local condition such as soil type, fertility, etc. Immediately after planting, the plant's beds is mulches with available litter to protect the soil from erosion. The conversions, the moisture, conserve the moisture. Planting should be done diagonally to the slope to control erosion. Manures and fertilizer requirement for cardamom cultivation. Organic matter improve the physical characters of soil in addition to their nutrient supply. Application of organic manure such as neem cake, bone meal, vermicompost at the rate 1, 1 raised to 1, 1.5, 1.75 tons per hectare and manure 6 at the rate 6, 10 and 15 tons per hectare may be applied during first and second, third year in May, June. The manure should thoroughly cover with soil after application. Irrigation requirement for cardamom. Cardamom required regular watering, supply and dry spell, especially during summer and also during tillering and flowering. Adversely affected fruit set. Shade regulation. Direct sunlight is detrimental to the growth and development of cardamom. Partial sunlight of 40 to 60% at canopy level is ideal. The canopy of the shade tree should be managed taking into the account the aspect, slope, direction for desired shade requirement. Threshing consists of removing the old tillers and dry leaves and shade. This operation may be carried out once in a year at any time. 1 month after completion of the final harvest, the thresh material can be also used as a mulch. Harvesting of cardamom. In general, cardamom start yielding from 2 to 3 years and onwards. Capsules are harvested just short of oils ripeness over mature fruit split on dry floor, whereas the unripe fruits shrivel on dry. Yield of cardamom 500 kg per hectare dry capsule should be harvested. Thank you.